Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra from paper. Start by laying out all materials and selecting the strongest paper for the chassis. Cut templates carefully and label each piece so assembly stays organized. Practice essential folds on scrap paper to master valley and mountain creases. Keep small clamps or clips handy to hold glued tabs while they dry. Work patiently to keep edges sharp and symmetrical for a polished model. Begin by scoring all fold lines on the cut templates to create clean creases that guide assembly. Fold the chassis first, reinforcing corners with extra tabs to support the body. Shape the hood and roof with gradual, repeated folds rather than a single sharp bend to avoid tearing. Assemble panels dry first to test fit, then glue in sequence from internal structure outward. Allow glue to set fully before moving to the next stage. Start by mounting the main body panels onto the secured chassis, aligning seams precisely and trimming where necessary for a snug fit. Reinforce wheel wells and axles internally to support small wheels or dowels. Add interior elements like seats, dashboard, and steering wheel to improve balance and realism. Customize the exterior with layered paper overlays, marker highlights, or light paint for accurate headlights and trim. Finish with glossy varnish sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.